white skin.
Boom.
Yeah. This sound come from deep within. Yeah, that's
Boom.
what I mean.
And you can make it like that, and then
fall. And then slide more on the fall.
Because then you are falling.
Yeah.
Into the move, but yeah, make it a little bit more.
So it's a little bit more rhythmic in the verse.
And it's a little bit more percussive vocally.
Yes.
If you can try that.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Just try it. You know.
That's a great idea. Moonlight kisses his pale white skin. His sound comes from deep within. Golden silvery glow all around. Secrets that he's found. A breath that we share. Fingers caught in his hair. Fall into the pool of light, into a desperate spell. Fall. Lips that touch everything inside. Touch and relinquish your pride. Fingers track the strong line on his back. All the things I lack.
You know what would be cool? Sorry to stop you.
Yeah.
Is just to try in the second verse, because that sounded so much not better because it sounded good, but it sounded so much more like you're like moving a little bit with it. But with that second verse, really try to like phrase it totally differently.
Oh yeah.
What is the first two lines of it?
Lips that touch it. The lips that touch everything inside.
Lips that touch everything inside.
Right?
I mean anything. I mean just try something. It doesn't have to be. Don't get nervous about it. Just try to totally
mix it
change
up
up
a
the
little bit.
phrasing.
Yeah.
Because now it's the second verse, but it's still the same chords, so, and you want to make it move, but maybe in a different way.
Yes. Good point.
So try phrasing it differently. Anyway, nothing is wrong. You know, just try playing around with the phrasing and the timing of when you
where the words hit.
You know.
Yeah. Let me run a little bit